In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to copy a two-sided document on your HP OfficeJet Pro 9130 printer series. We will use the automatic document feeder. The ADF for this printer supports duplex scanning and copying, and it does that in one pass. So we are going to copy a 6-page two-sided document and we'll place it on the ADF. Remember to use the paper guides. Next, we'll show you how to copy two-sided on the control panel. Go to Copy and select Document Copy. Under Sides, select 2 to 2-sided. We are now ready to copy. Tap on the Copy button. And here's your 6 pages two-sided copy. So this is how you do a two-sided copy on your HP OfficeJet Pro 9130 printer series.